How to fix snap camera problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix snap camera problem. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have my snap camera application opened right here. And as you can see, I have an error that says no available camera input, device is unavailable or used by another application. So the first thing that you're going to check is to make sure that you are not using your camera anywhere else. So you may be using your camera through the Zoom app or any other video call feature that is within your laptop or computer. So purposely use the camera within this page right here that is in Google Meet. So what you're going to do is just to close that window or close that app so that it will stop using your camera. So I'm just going to close on this Google Chrome tab. And as you can see, the problem is still there. So what you're going to do is to restart the app and just click on X right here. But that does not really close the app. So what we're going to do is click on this arrow up button right here to see all the apps that are running right now. So this is a snap camera icon. Just right click on that and click on quit. So that is now quit. The snap camera is now quitted, and just reopen snap camera. And that should actually fix your problem. Your camera should be working now, and you should be seeing yourself, and other people within the video call meeting should see you as well. And that is how you can basically fix snap camera problem.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.